Hello everyone, and welcome back to Zeus Tech. Hello everyone! Today in this video, we'll be learning about what are lists in Python. So, before we begin, I'd just like to tell you that I will be talking about a lot of stuff from my old tutorials, so I highly recommend you looking at those tutorials before you look at this, as you'll have to know that certain knowledge before you can learn this. And also, if you like the content that I post, please leave this video with a like and subscribe, comment down below how it was, and turn on the post notifications to get notified whenever I release a new video. With that said, let's begin. So, let's start off by knowing how you can tell if it's a list. So let's make a variable, and you see these brackets. If you see these brackets, you know it's a list. Okay, if it's like a equals and then these brackets, you know it's a list. If the variable equals brackets with like numbers, like integers inside, you know it's a list. Okay, so remember this. You can tell that something's a list by the brackets. And what's the purpose of lists, you may be asking? Well, lists are meant for storing multiple different values in one variable. They're really useful, and you're able to like store many things. Like say we have a food list, and then we can have like apples, bananas, and like juice. I don't know. What do you like? I don't know, random stuff. Comment down below what stuff you would have in the food list. So yeah, like lists are very useful, and they can be used for a lot of things. And let's see how to print a list then. So if we make a list, like, and have names, like Josh, I'm not sure what random names, like Adam, Lucy. I really don't know what the like Lucy, who knows. So we have a list of 3 names. Well, we can just use the print function lsc, and we can run first, and you see here prints Josh, Adam, Lucy. So this is an example of how to print print lists. But you see here, it's pretty like weird and all, like there's brackets and all that. And you may want to remove that. Well, I'll be talking about that in my I think it's the video after my next video, or the video after that. It will be coming up soon, and I'll show you how to use for loops. And with that, you can do all sorts of things, like printing the list clean. So here we've gotten our list, and I'll show you 2 important functions that you should know about if you know how to make lists. First one is lsd.append. What append does is that it adds, you can add something with it. If you want, like, you can add a variable, b equals Bob. You can add a variable. You can add a number. You can add a boolean. You can add a string. Anything you want, but you have to like add something. And let's do this. Let's print lsc, and now let's append Bob, and print lsc again. And you see here, first is Josh, Adam, Lucy, and now it's Josh, Adam, Lucy, Bob. And that's pretty cool then. And then there's also lsd.remove. Remove does the same thing, but instead it just removes stuff. Like there's append, which adds, remove, which removes. So say that we don't want Lucy, we just want it to be like an all boys school or something like that, who knows. Then we can just do that. And you see here, Josh, Adam, Lucy, Josh, Adam, Lucy, Bob, Josh, Adam, Bob. So this is an example of what lists are and how they work. And I hope that you got something from this video, and consider subscribing, as I'm trying to get 100 subs before the end of the month. And with that said, I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye!